Welcome to This Week in Space, where we deliver space news in bite-sized, exciting updates. We make space exploration not only accessible, but also fun for everyone. Don't miss out on this week's noteworthy developments. Sierra Space is gearing up for the historic launch of their Dream Chaser spaceplane, Tenacity, a spacecraft straight out of Star Wars. Aerospace engineers at the University of Central Florida designed a breakthrough hypersonic engine, paving the way for safe and stable hypersonic air travel in the future. And NASA's Europa Clipper mission is set to launch on October 10, 2024, aiming to explore Jupiter's icy moon, Europa, and its potential habitability. The Dream Chaser spaceplane, developed by Sierra Space, arrived at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida last May 18, 2024. This is in preparation for its inaugural flight to the International Space Station in September 2024. With its distinctive retractable wings and space shuttle-esque fuselage, the Dream Chaser resembles a spacecraft from the Star Wars universe. It recently underwent rigorous environmental testing at the Neil Armstrong Test Facility in Ohio, including vibration tests and exposure to extreme temperatures to ensure it can withstand the stresses of launch and re-entry. At Kennedy, the Dream Chaser, named Tenacity, will undergo additional testing and preparation before being added to the United Launch Alliance's Vulcan rocket, which will launch it to the space station. Under a contract with NASA, the Dream Chaser is slated for 7 cargo missions to the space station, offering a reusable alternative to SpaceX's Dragon cargo shuttle. Unlike Dragon, which uses parachutes for descent, the Dream Chaser can glide back through the atmosphere and land on any runway at least 10,000 feet long. The Dream Chaser's first flight will be a critical test of its capabilities. Beyond its cargo delivery of over 7,800 pounds, or 3,538 kilograms to the space station, the spaceplane will demonstrate maneuvers and abort procedures before it gets grabbed and docked by a robotic arm. After a 45-day stay, Dream Chaser will depart the station, re-entering the atmosphere and landing at Kennedy's Launch and Landing Facility, the first such landing since the Space Shuttle program's end in 2011. Accompanying Dream Chaser is the disposable Shooting Star cargo module, which can hold an additional 7,000 pounds, or 3,175 and 14 kilograms, and will be jettisoned for destruction during re-entry, allowing for the disposal of up to 8,500 pounds or 3,855 and 53 kilograms of trash permission. Sierra Space is working with NASA to develop a crewed version of the Dream Chaser for low Earth orbit missions. University of Central Florida's aerospace engineers, led by Professor Kareem Ahmed, achieved a breakthrough in hypersonic propulsion, potentially enabling safe and fast passenger air travel between distant cities in minutes. Their design surpasses the speed of current supersonic aircraft by 14 times, reaching hypersonic speeds of up to 13,000 miles per hour. Unlike traditional combustion engines that rely on slow, controlled burning, hypersonic engines utilize powerful detonations for greater efficiency. However, these detonations are inherently unstable. Ahmed's team addressed this challenge by developing the world's first stabilized hypersonic engine. Their experiment used a 3-part tube. They ignited hydrogen and oxygen, then added more hydrogen. A specially designed ramp kept the explosion steady, creating thrust and a shockwave that continued until they stopped adding fuel. Currently, the focus is on keeping the explosion wave going. Plans include using this technology in an airplane. The idea is to have a regular plane carry the hypersonic craft to a certain height and release it. Then, a booster rocket will speed it up to supersonic speeds. After that, the hypersonic engine will start up. A sloped shape will steady the explosion wave, allowing for hypersonic travel until it lands. Professor Ahmed estimates this technology could be achieved by 2050, potentially revolutionizing air travel and even enabling faster space missions. If this piqued your interest, check out our channel to learn more about spaceplanes, which we will discuss in depth in our upcoming video, Understanding Physics. Can planes fly into space, and also the advances made for faster space travel and space missions with our The Future of the Space Economy. In preparation for a launch window opening on October 10, 2024, NASA's Europa Clipper spacecraft arrived at Kennedy Space Center in Florida to undergo final preparations. Designed to explore Jupiter's moon Europa and its potential for life, the spacecraft will travel on a SpaceX Vulcan heavy rocket from Launch Complex 39A. Equipped with 9 science instruments, Europa Clipper will conduct close flybys of Europa, gathering data during its journey. These instruments, like the Mass Spectrometer for Planetary Exploration or MASSPEX, aim to analyze Europa's potential atmosphere and search for signs of life within its subsurface ocean, theorized to be even larger than Earth's oceans combined. This critical mission builds upon the discoveries of previous missions like Galileo, Voyager, and Cassini, which hinted at the existence of this hidden ocean. The Europa Clipper mission signifies a major advancement in NASA's search for life beyond Earth. Its state-of-the-art technology will provide unprecedented insights into Europa's geology and the potential for life within its vast ocean. If you want to watch more about Jupiter, its moons, and more about exploring the other planets and their moons in our solar system, check out our channel and watch our video about the Voyager program, Explained. Voyager 1 and 2. Discoveries. Find out what Cassini found as it explored Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and also see the first real images taken from the surface Triton. Thanks for joining us on This Week in Space. We hope these discoveries and missions amazed you. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What space topics fascinate you the most? Do you have any burning questions about the universe? What recent space discovery excites you the most? Are there any latest space updates you'd like us to dive deep into? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting space updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep looking up.